We've already seen how ExtendSync lets you sync emails directly to NetSuite, but it doesn't stop there. You can attach calendar events from Outlook to your NetSuite records just as easily. To start things off, I'll create a new calendar event. In this case, a follow-up call I'm scheduling with David Miles at Happy House to review the open order. I'll give the event a title, set the date and time, and add David as the attendee. I'll go ahead and send the invite to David. Once it's sent, the event is saved in my calendar, and that's when we can bring in ExtendSync. I'll open the event from my calendar and pull up the ExtendSync panel. It's only available once the event has been saved. I'll search for Happy House, select the record, and sync. The event is now linked to NetSuite. Now let's jump over to NetSuite, and under the Activities tab, the calendar event is right there. Title, date, attendees, all logged automatically from Outlook. No duplicate entries, no manual updates required. So whether it's you following up or someone else on the team picking up the account, that event is already in NetSuite. No one has to ask, did anyone log that call?